Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator app. Now, to set up this application, you should go and download it officially from Play Store or App Store. So I will open Play Store on my Android phone, then click on the search button, and now you will have to search for Microsoft Authenticator. After that, click on this option right here, then click on install in order to install it on your phone. And now once you download it, click on open, and now you will have to add an account to your Microsoft Authenticator. So click on add account, then click on personal account if you have this account for personal use, then click on scan a QR code and use this method to scan any QR code from your own Microsoft Gmail on your Windows, or you can simply click on sign in with Microsoft easily. And now you will have to add your account. So I will add this one right here. You just have to wait, then enter your password and click on sign in. And now you can choose between saving the account or not. After that, it will show you your phone number. Just click on your phone number and they will send an OTP to your phone number. But you will first have to enter the last 4 digits of phone number. Once you enter the last 4 digits of your number, click on send code. And now they will send you an OTP. You can simply click on autofill code from messages. And once you get the message of the OTP, it will be entered right here. Now click on verify. Now here you have it. You can now click on allow to autofill or click on skip right here. If you want to skip the step, and click on done, and here you have your account added. And here down below you can have your passwords added right here, and the payments, addresses, and also the verified IDs. And if you face any problem with using the app, you can simply go and click on its icon, then click on app info and choose this option right here on the bottom left side, force stop, then click on OK. Or you can simply go to the storage and click on clear data and choose clear cache. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.